this video. First we will see what is a unit vector. A unit vector is in a given direction is a vector with magnitude 1 in that direction. Having a magnitude unity is called unit vector. It is used to represent the direction of a vector. How to represent a unit vector? Now we will see representation of a unit vector. A unit vector in the direction of A is written as A with cap. We will read it as A cap or A hat, which are represented read as A hat. Thus A is equal to A into A hat. A hat or a unit vector is equal to A vector over A smaller scalar one. So the directions along x, y and z are represented by unit vectors I cap, j cap and k cap respectively, as shown in the figure. In the direction of x, our unit vector is represented as I cap, in y direction as j cap and in z direction as k cap respectively. The use of unit vector is not restricted to Cartesian coordinate system only. Unit vectors may be defined for any direction. Two of more frequently, unit vectors are the vectors which represent the direction of the vector, and the vector n cap represents the direction of a normal drawn on the surface as shown in the figure. This is the r, a vector, but it is unit vector is given in the direction of this vector. So unit vector can be defined for any direction. That's all from this video in which we discussed about unit vector.